keeps telling everyone that we can't mow the lawn. Only she gets to because her lawnmower is dangerous, but we realize that she loves it. She goes out there, gets on her right lawnmower, and she's in heaven. She had her drink for a while, but I don't see her drink anymore. Let's see if we can get her. She's going to kill me. She should be coming around the corner. Let's get Grandpa's cows for a minute. In Grandma and Grandpa's kitchen, they are teaching Mom